Ebyaana byagamba omurutayayo orw'akakiiko ka Parliament aka Physical Infrastructure akarukukurira Honorable Mwinempaka obukaba katayayire ekitongore eki aha nshonga ezarebekire omu ripoota ya Auditor General ey'omwaka ogw'2024-2025.
Twatwize kureba factory eyitwa yayombekirwe company yokukora concrete sleepers baby rails nare ebyoma by'egari y'omwika ebyekushitamaho egendera twantwenda kumanya factory egi bakagita itaka litu konka nabatijja ngu tiyitu bayimba foundation neyitu kandi twahika ururimi rwahinduka nabatigira ngu bakakosa miliyoni rushanju ku levelinga bahapangisa omuntu.
We need support so that we can be able now to have this facility like now to be a park and ride facility. Park, I mean you come in here, you park your vehicle, and then you are able to take a train to take you to Kampala. The same facility should be also in Kampala and even in Mukono. So we need facilities here for fencing, lighting, sanitary facilities, paving, so that we can be able to have very good facilities. So
akakiiko kashanga ngu hariho abantu abatwaire itaka lya Uganda Railway kandi hariho n'esente zirikwetengesa okubaasa kubahwera okugira ebyaana by'egari y'omwika okugira ngu hetambuze abantu abarikuza kureba omupiira gwa AFCON.
So because of the timelines and considering the time we have for AFCON, we are not able to receive proposals from manufacturers because they are not able to meet the deadlines. We had given them a deadline of 31st of March.
We need to have new coaches, as he's talking about. The plan is to have 30 new coaches. Now, the coaches will come in with about 2 locomotives. Now, the moment you have 2 locomotives and 30 coaches, then you can be able now to plan. Some of the coaches may be leaving Jinja, others leaving Kampala, they by pass on the way. So they'll be a bit faster, they'll be a bit safe, and even comfortable.
Akakiiko kayongera kashanga ngu haine sente ezakozesibwa abakungu ababaire bari omu kitongore eki ezirikwingana miliyoni 6 ekyorukukurira ekitongore kya Railway yagira ngu kubaasa kuba kuri okushisha sente ngu kandi akahandikira na Antony General aha nshonga egi.
And it's a fact, and I would like to appeal to you, Chairperson. The Railways, the way it has been neglected for the last 20 years. We are where we are because of the neglect equivalent of 20 years. So if now the efforts can be able to come in and you support us, and the railway is capitalized, within the next 5 years, we will be having the facilities which will be able...
Political term.
Yes.
Orukukurira ekitongore kya Uganda Railway Benon Kajuna nawe yatangaza nshonga y'esente ezirikwetengwa okugarura egari y'omwika haiguru. Abanyeshengero abahika mwanya ogu nabo baine bashobora okurugirira aha bareba omu ripoota na ne bashanga mwanya.
Ngwe chairman tukampangisa itaka okutaho factory ye akakora concrete sleepers then akabasa okuzuguza government. Ekyo nikyo twashangaho. Ekyakabiri ekitwanturondereza n'okugira ngu omu contract bayambakora sleepers ezo bine kusupplyinga akaza mu difference ya almost 12 plus. So twantugezaho kubabuuza ahi bazitire batwereka ngu bakazikozesa konka ahi bazikozesa twahareba so ntwija kwongera kucondoza okureba ahi zagiye.
Ngo government ya Uganda ne owning itaka kandi Imathia owninga ebizimbe biro. Konke kyatushokinga munonga ne sente ze bakozise bakutereza eritaka vis-a-vis kandi itaka bakaririzinga out. So ejo niyo shobe twashanga aha sente zabe zitari nche kukozesa miliyoni hinkarushanzo na 3.
Konke kyatangaza munonga ne bakozire ne bebari kushanga ngu government yihanga neguze sente ezireta ezihereza ngo bagure ebyokozesa konka bwanyuma yo kugura ebyokozesa nibakwereka ngo ahikibo factory yombekire nebakoraho byona itwe nk'abanya-Uganda tubyine mu bushoborozi.
Akakiiko nikija kora reporta yako heka kuja kushomera ishengero.
Kwa concrete sleepers ntureba naburaho most 15 so twantenda batushobore ayibiri. So egi niyo final investigation eyitwine kushoza report yitu y'akakiiko kandi tekateka nchakare report ntuja speaker wa parliament.
Gasha Ronald Ngabirano.